Redford's attachment to Ireland was really, really very deep. He was immersed in the mythology of Ireland, and he'd appeared in a play called Little Moon of Albion, which was an IRA kind of story. When he first came to Dublin, spent time with us, living out in Sutton, he wanted to go to just a pub in town. I could tell you some stories about that. He wanted to recite this kind of speech from the play Little Moon of Albion. And he was just so deeply, deeply, deeply involved in what he saw was the fantastic spirit of Ireland. And it echoed for him his interest in Native American Indians and them being crushed by the movement of immigration into America. So Ireland, he loved being in Ireland, talking to the Irish. And I'm hoping that the Irish media does pick up on a little bit of the private Robert Redford, not the movie star.